All right, now, I can zoom out here. We have the summer trips litter out here. And there is 5 in this litter left. We're just going to let them get the zoomies out because, well, they just got out. We just carried them down here by hand. Mesa. Mesa seems to be on the slightly calmer side, but the one that really takes the cake is Sierra. Sierra has been kind of the gentle soul. All right, guys, let's let them get some energy out. Let's walk. Yeah? Or run, that's fine. That one's Sierra. And that one is Mesa, the brown girl. Go down by the horses, guys. Walk ahead of me. That's Denali. She is a Merle, and I think her color is going to look super cool with the first haircut. She's been extremely brave, outgoing. Bryce is our big dude. Like, he's got a belly on him for days. But he's been pretty, like, a big teddy bear, is how I imagine describing him. Acadia, I thought she was going to be on the calmer side, but lately she's been showing a little more excitement and outgoingness, so just coming into herself, I think. Look at that, calm, cool, and collected. And then Denali is the, you know, extrovert 101. Oh, good. Mesa seems to be a balance between, you know, not complete extrovert, not Denali, but not a complete, like, super calm girl either. She gets into it. She just takes a minute to adjust.
Acadia. Acadia.
That's Sierra. She's just pretty sweet. Let's move out of this area. There's too much stuff right there. Hi, Sierra. Hi, pretty girl. And then you see Bryce jumping, whereas Sierra is not. Sierra is also extremely good in the bath. Like, she just takes everything with stride, with the blower and everything. I really like that. Yeah.
Oh, you gonna run?
There you go. Run with them. Get them to run. Hey, let's get him out of that stuff, guys. Let's get him out of that stuff. Hey, get him out of there. Get him out of there. Get him out of there. Get him out. Get him out. Get him out. Get him out. Grab the other one. I did not think Bert would do that. Ooh, that scared me. Bert's never been like that before. Let me pause this. All right, sorry about that. We just had a little bit of a teaching moment with the kiddos. I'm certain that the puppies don't want to learn a hard lesson, so obviously brave in this group. Zero fear. Doesn't matter if the thing is 1,000 times their size. Enough to freak me out. There you go, ladies. Let's be nice. Oh, I just realized I got 4 girls left in this one. So I decided there was a boy in there. It's probably because the other one has more boys than the girls. This one has 3 girls and 1 boy. Take him for a run, guys. See if they'll follow you down there.
Nope.
You gotta do the little kissing and the puppy. There he goes. Where's your trach to stick him in the back?
They took it up to the top.
Oh, that was silly.
I can't get it. Oh, do you want me to get it?
I don't care.
Puppy pile. Oh, no.
Now see if they'll follow you. Ooh. Temptation with the cart. Are you guys just being calm and cool, huh? Huh? They are pretty sweet, huh?
Yeah. No, I don't want you.
Let's stick one in there. Put a puppy in there.
This one. Even this one.
There you go.
Alright.
Not too fast though, please. Thank you.
This one's like, nope.
Yeah, Katie's like, hard pass on that. Oh. Yep, Bryce got a little too excited there. Doesn't want to be brushed off by Lyman, that's for sure. Those ears.
After Kenny, can I get in?
Katie is like, I think I'll get attention if I sit.
I like this ride. I like this puppy. Kenny, get out of there. The gray one?
He's fine.
I'm gonna go over by John. See what he thinks about these pups. You can't get out.
He's being a good Bryce. Aren't her eyes so pretty? They look like yours?
There's a food trip.
Tess is so demanding. He's gonna make us rehang that stupid gate. Niall, toss Tess some more. What's he doing, pretty girl? Oh, does that feel wonderful? Oh, do you need some lovin's? Like, heaven forbid. Like, you're just so fluffy, too. Just so fluffy. Oh, does that feel wonderful? I was getting him to do, like, the whole leg thing when I was drying him the other day. No, you don't need to jump on me. You guys are pretty cute. Oh, look how cute that is.
Switching puppies. Puppy people.
Yeah, you should see if Acadia wants a ride.
Acadia.
Oh, gee. At least it's not a big fall.
Take out the other two puppies and add this one. That one already had a ride, so.
Yeah, he jumped out.
And leave this brown one. Now, can I ride? Please. Oh, dumper. All right, no people.
No.
Why? Someone's still gonna ride.
Yes, because they're the smaller ones.
And I want to ride.
Get smaller. Good luck with that. Oh, you talking to us, huh, Sierra? You talking to us?
Dude. Stop.
Hey, Denali. Look at all your shades. Little tail.
Mom. Mom.
Yes, honey.
What do you think?
They're all doing really good, though. Handling stuff. I just didn't think Bert would be trotting over. Freak me out. We've been doing this for years. I mean, Bert's 12, and that's the first time I've seen him do that. Oh, you're going to run over. Oh, watch out. Heave.
Suji, push. Suji, push.
I think you got to ask her nice.
Suji, can you push, please? Yeah. Mario. Poppy Smoppers. Now let's see what they think of all these dogs.
These ones wore out way quicker than Prissy's, didn't they?
Oh, Mommy.
Yeah, they are chubbier. These guys know how to eat. I don't know, Funnel Cake is probably the same size as Bryce right now.
No.
And that's saying something. Bryce is big. He's a big, chubby fluffy puppy boy. You're looking for something that's going to be a good family dog. Good for cuddling, obviously. But still wants to get out and go for a run. Like he's a good one.
Do you want to run? Do you want to run? Do you want to run? Bryce, come here, Bryce. Bryce, come on, Bryce. No, Bryce.
Pretty cute. They're like, oh, you were running.
Nope. Wrong way. Guys, follow me. Can I you? Bryce. Poppers.
He's just happy.
I never knew you were coming. Mom, this one's trapping my hands.
Niall, get out of there. Hi, Denali.
I like these trees.
You're such a pretty face. No jump.
No.
Thank you. Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh yes.
Oh, Bryce.
Looks like a great steering. Obviously well socialized with kids. Handled and made sure it's a positive experience. I can't believe Mace's been in there the whole time. Alright, get the puppies out. Let's let them run and play if they want. Oh, be careful. Be careful. Thank you, Niall. She's like, okay, I'll sit and wait for you.
Mom, look at that. What is that?
Yep, Sierra's chill, huh? Mace is asking for another ride, huh? Pretty cute.
Oh,
Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this. Seeing kids play with puppies. It's just something about kids and puppies that gets along well.
A kitty hat this
Our
side is
ki-
yellow.
Not yellow, green. Just the corner of it, huh? Pretty cool. Oh, Denali's found shoelaces.
Oh no.
Are you going to take her for a ride, Lyman?
Yeah, that's what I was gonna do.
Niall, let Lyman. Niall, stop.
Can I ride? Yeah, Lyman's steering.
I was... Or ignore me. Cool. I love being ignored. Love being ignored. In case you're a mom and you thought that was only for you. Nope. Your kids are very normal. Niall, no! Niall! No!
Sit.
Sorry you had to hear some of my ugly voice.
Sit. I know.
That's what I was wondering, is if she would stay in there without a kid in there. And sure enough, she's got a farm dog. Stinking adorable. Oh.
Put the green one. Come on. This puppy's so chill. Let them out.
Alright, that's probably enough.
I'm holding this one.
Pretty cute. These 5 are still looking for their families. Obviously, they get along with families just fine.
All the puppies in
Huh, Miss Sierra?
Last time Mom said no.